So UBoter recently sent me out their S10 robotic vacuum, and today we're gonna do a really quick unboxing, charge it up, and then we're also gonna test it out in our pool. With that being said, let's go ahead and change up the camera angle to give you guys a closer look at what all comes in this box. All right, so immediately we get our hook to retrieve the robot, just in case the battery dies and it's in the center of the pool. You guys could put this on the end of your pool strainer and then just pick it up. Of course, we get a really nice user guide. They make it super simple, and there is an app to download. Here is the actual user guide. Has a bunch of pictures on it, so it's really easy to understand. And that's kind of a preview of what the app's gonna look like, and we will be using that today during our test. In this little box, we're gonna get all of our cables and accessories. So here is the charging cable. Pretty straightforward. All right, so here is the actual pool vacuum. This is a pretty big one. Definitely the biggest pool robot I've reviewed so far. It honestly looks like a tank with the treads that it has. Here's the back. You can see how it cleans the bottom of your pool with these flaps. And let's go ahead and open this up and get to the filters. So it looks like this just comes out. Then you can empty out all of the trash and debris. Pops open for easy cleaning. And this is a really fine metal material. So that's what the inside of this looks like. And here's gonna be the port for charging. So you guys will just untwist it. It has a waterproof seal, and then you guys will just hook it up. All right, so it looks like it's charging up. I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for a few hours and hopefully get this almost all the way charged. And then we'll go ahead and show you guys the app and throw it in the pool. All right guys, so we have the pool robot all charged up. We just paired it up to the app. They made it really simple. All you have to do, scan that QR code, download the app. It works with Apple and Android, and then you guys will just pair it up with Bluetooth. Now right here, we have a really cool setting where we could adjust how it cleans. So we could do a full pool cleaning, which is what we're gonna do today, floor only, wall only, and then waterline only, which looks really helpful for when leaves are dropping. You guys can select how long you want it to clean as well. And it also shows you the battery life right there. It's a super simple app. Let's go ahead and get this thing cleaning and see how it works. And real fast, if you guys wanted to adjust the cleaning function manually, you guys could turn on the machine and then you guys will press it again. 1, 2, 3, and it lets us select right there. So now we're on the full pool cleaning mode. All right, so we have it all turned on. We put this cap back on as well, so it's not gonna leak into the charging port. And I think we're all good to go. So you're gonna hold it by the handle here, and you're gonna slowly put it down with the back facing the pool wall. So now it's gonna slowly sink. I'll try and show you guys this in action here, but it's gonna fill up with water. And then once it hits the ground, it's gonna turn on the motors and start zooming around the bottom of our pool. All right, so it just kicked on. You can see it climbing the wall pretty far up. So I'm kind of curious how high up it's gonna go before it goes back down. But it's coming right up there. Now I assume it's gonna go back down. And you could really see it cleaning the side with that rubber brush on the bottom. Seems pretty cool. Yeah, and it made it over that light just fine. I was kind of curious how that was gonna work, but so far no problem. So you can see it trying to find its next path. Looks like it's basically gonna go around the whole perimeter of the pool, going up the walls just like that, and cleaning the sides for us. But that's really nice because a lot of pools get that little ring of just gunk on the sides, and this seems to be cleaning up that exact area. So that's really nice. It's also really cool seeing it just suction to the wall like that. It's actually a lot of fun to watch this thing work. You could definitely see it picking up some leaves, and now it's gonna go all the way across the pool. You could see the leaves kind of following it from the suction of the machine. So it seems to have a really powerful motor. And like I was saying, this is the biggest pool cleaner I've reviewed so far. And it also has that bottom brush that I think is really unique. I've not seen that on the other ones. So I think that this one will clean up a little better, and it definitely seems to have some more tech. All right guys, so it's been running for a little over an hour. So we're gonna go ahead, take this out. We're gonna let that water drain, and then we'll go ahead and see how dirty that filter is. But overall, the pool does look a lot cleaner. All right, so to open it up, all you do is pull this blue tab. Now it just bends up. Now we can remove the storage bin for all of the debris. So you can see just in that hour, how much debris this thing picked up. There's a lot of fine debris, a lot of large branches even, and a bunch of leaves. So overall, it did a really good job. And just keep in mind that this thing could have ran for much longer. That was just an hour. So if I let it go for twice as long, it probably would have cleaned up almost everything in the pool. Especially if you guys run this like every day or every other day, your pool should be looking really clean. If I had to choose a favorite thing about this model, it's definitely gonna be these rollers here. They clean the pool edge really well, and they're really delicate, so it's not gonna harm anything. So if you guys are looking for a pool cleaner that's really easy to use and actually cleans your pool, this is a really good one to check out. And anyways, that's gonna be it for my really quick unboxing and demo of the UBoter S10.